When it comes to breakfast, I'm always excited because I love a good and filling breakfast that will keep me full throughout the day. So we're going to be making two sandwich recipes, that is scrambled egg sandwich and sausage sandwich, which are going to turn out very delicious and filling. Also, the sandwich recipes are going to be protein loaded with lots of vegetables, which makes it totally worth trying. So the sandwiches are perfect for breakfast or brunch, served with your favorite juice or even tea or coffee. We'll start off by prepping up the most delicious sauce for our sandwiches. So in a small bowl, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then next you're going to add in a tablespoon of ketchup and a tablespoon of yellow mustard. Mix up everything until it's fully combined. The ketchup and yellow mustard are going to add in tanginess to the sauce, while the ketchup also is going to add in some sweetness, and the mayonnaise is going to make the sauce very creamy. So after mixing up, this is how my sauce is looking, and I absolutely love. Prepping ahead before making the sandwiches is a trick because the recipe is very easy and simple. So I'm going to be using a mini processor to chop up my salsa. So I'm going to pick my tomato, cut in half, roughly chop it up. Then I'm going to transfer into my processor. Then next you're going to peel 1 medium onion and roughly chop it up. Transfer into the processor coriander, which is going to add in a very nice flavor. So I'm going to chop it in half, transfer in, add in some salt, which is going to season the salsa or kachumbari. Cover my processor, pulse my salsa 5 times. Struggling a little bit with my processor. And this is going to give me a very roughly chopped up salsa. I have to check as it's blending. This is how the salsa is looking. As you can see, it's roughly chopped. It's not super fine, which makes it perfect for this sandwich recipe. We're going to be making 2 sandwiches, which are very easy, quick to prepare. For the first recipe, we're going to make some sausage sandwich, and it's going to be super easy. So you're going to place a pan over medium low flame and add in around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Wait for around 30 seconds or so that the cooking oil can get ready. You can use any sausages that you have in the house, whether it's chicken, beef, anything, pork. The recipe is very easy. So once my cooking oil is ready, I'm going to pick my sausages, place into the pan. Then I'm going to fry for around 30 seconds to a minute on all sides. Make sure the flames are not too high because the sausages are going to cook so fast on the outside and they won't cook on the inside. After a minute, my sausages are ready. So this is the bread that I'm going to be using to make my sandwiches, and it's very delicious, but it's store-bought. So you can use any bread that you have in the house, whether it's sliced white bread or even hot dog buns, and the sandwiches are going to turn out amazing. So I'm going to place aside and pick a chopping board. Then I'm going to cut open my bread. Don't go all the way down, just like this. Then I'm going to pick one sausage, cut in half. Open up my bun and spread the sauce on both sides. Place my sausages. Add in some salsa. And then you can top up with some more sauce. So that is the first sandwich I'm going to pick. You're going to pick another bun, then you're going to spread in your sauce. Add in a generous amount because the sauce is super delicious. Place in my sausages. Then next you are going to place in your sausages and your salsa. Everything looks amazing and delicious. Oh, yum. For the next recipe, we are going to be making some scrambled egg sandwich, and it's going to turn out so delicious. So over here, I have 2 green onion leaves that I'm going to be finely slicing. You can also use chives. Then you're going to transfer to your bowl, crack in 4 eggs, and I'm going to be using free range and the regular eggs. Season your eggs by adding in a pinch of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, whisk the eggs until they are fully whipped up. That is going to take around 30 seconds. Place the same pan with the same cooking oil that I used to make my sausage sandwich. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the oil can reheat. And I'm using medium-low flames. Then I'm going to add in my eggs. Slowly scramble the eggs as they're cooking. Make sure the pan is not too hot because you want beautiful ripples as the eggs are cooking. The green onions are going to add in lots of flavor to the scrambled eggs, and make sure to perfectly season the eggs. Cook the eggs to your own preference. I love mine well cooked, so that is going to take around 2 minutes. You can see how fast the recipes are, so that means that you'll take less time in the kitchen to prepare your breakfast. After around 1.5 minutes, I'm going to put on the flame. Since the pan is still hot, then I'm going to cook for another 30 seconds. And once they're done, this is how your scrambled eggs should be looking. Mine are gorgeous. So I'm going to pick one bun, cut it in half, spread my sauce. Scoop out my eggs. Add in a little bit of salsa, just a touch. This is my presentation for my sandwiches, and we have the egg sandwich, which is looking so good. The sausage sandwich also is perfect. So I'm going to try out my sausage sandwich, and this is how it looks. As you can see, we'll catch some salsa and the sausages together with the sauce. So I'm going to go in and give my sandwich a big bite. Okay, this is a mouthful. It's creamy, it's tangy, it's everything that you want to bite into a sandwich, which makes it totally worth trying. The egg sandwich, the scrambled egg sandwich is perfect as well. I've tried out the eggs, and also the salsa completes these sandwiches. You can throw in some more vegetables, maybe some cucumber, and it's going to be a healthy and very filling breakfast or brunch.